Okay, guys. So today we will continue with chapter 1. Okay, circular measure. Form 5, chapter 1 at Maths. Circular measure. Yeah, that's why I'm telling. That's why you all have to rush the syllabus a lot in these few months. The syllabus definitely gonna rush one. Any school also, no matter how good the teacher is, every teacher will rush one. Setiap cikgu pasti kerja. Okay. So guys, based on last week lesson, do you all have any question on the exercises I gave to those that came last week? Untuk yang datang minggu lepas. Do you all have any question that you find struggle in the textbook that you want me to discuss? Any one of you? If none, then we direct go to the new chapter. Anything? No, okay, good. I think the exercises at the front is quite easy. Only the back one is hard. The back one, the last of the Form 5 Chapter 1, I will discuss in the next week class with you all. Okay, minggu depan saya discuss. Today one, we will discuss on 1.4, which is application question on circular measure. Soalan-soalan aplikasi harian, bab sukatan membulat. Okay, so we're going to discuss application of circular measure. Okay, so first thing, before we start with this, let me go back here. We recap a bit of what we learned last week. Okay, last week we all learned subtopic 1.3, which is area of sector of circle, luas sektor sebuah bulatan 1.3. Okay, so anyone here, can you all tell me what is the formula to count the area of sector of a circle? Apa rumus yang kita guna untuk kira luas sektor bulatan? Anyone? Volunteer to answer. What is the formula to count area of sector of circle? Recap. Without referring, tanpa rujuk. Yes, correct. Okay, half r square theta. Okay, very good. First part you all pass. So second part, theta. This one over here. Radian or degree? Adakah sudut saya dalam radian atau darjah? Yes, it's in radian mode, correct. Okay, sudut, remember in this chapter, 90% of the time lah is radian. 90% kamu akan guna sudut dalam unit radian. 10% of the time you will use degree. So why I say 10%? So guys, dalam bab ni, bila kamu akan guna unit darjah, which part of this chapter you will use the angle in degree mode? Can anyone tell me? When you involve what? Bila melibatkan apa kamu akan guna unit darjah? What type of things you will use degree mode? Anyone can tell? Example. Yes, very good, Ife. That's the point. Whenever you see sin, cos, or tan, you direct, remember, only degree mode. Hanya unit darjah boleh. Radian cannot. If you got sin, cos, tan, radian cannot. But can lah actually. But you must change your calculator to radian mode. So that's one a bit hard. Okay, kalau kamu nak guna sin, cos, tan dalam radian, you need to change calculator mode. Okay, but we always want to maintain in degree, so that is simpler. Okay, lebih senang untuk pengiran kalau kamu guna mode darjah. So that's why whenever you see sin, cos or tan, direct, make sure your sudut is in degree. Okay, if they give you in radian, you have to convert to degree lah. Kamu kena tahu cara penukaran dia, asas. Okay, you must know the conversion. Alright, so next thing, this is the basic formula. Okay, so next one. Can anyone tell me, you got the formula just now, right? Area is half r square theta radian. So guys, can anyone tell me, let's say lah, I don't want to use theta. Saya tak mau guna ni, but I still want to count the area. Can anyone tell me what formula can I use to count area of sector untuk kira luas sektor? Kalau saya tak mau ungkapan luas saya mempunyai simbol theta. If I don't want my expression for area to have theta, what can I do to find the area of sector? Anyone know? Siapa tahu? This one a bit hard lah, the question, but if you master all the formula, you can tell me. So anyone? Yes, correct, but not what I looking for here. I mean in AdMaths. Jangan pergi matematik modern lagi. Dalam kandungan syllabus AdMaths. Saya cakap sekarang. In the AdMath syllabus, if I don't want the theta in radian, what other way I can use to find area in this chapter, Form 5 Chapter 1, dalam bab ni? Ada satu lagi rumus untuk kira luas sektor. There is another formula actually to count area of sector. Anyone know? If don't know, raise your hand. I want to see. Kalau tak tahu, angkat tangan. Those who don't know. Okay. Got a lot don't know. Okay, never mind. I give you all a hint. Okay, saya bagi clue. Guys, do you all know this formula? S equal R theta. What is this formula used to count? Rumus ni untuk kira apa? Can you all remind me? We use this formula to count what? What is the quantity we count using this formula? Yes, panjang lengkok, the length of arc, correct. So guys, do you all see? Half R square theta radian is actually half times R times R. Sorry, wait. Times R times theta. Correct? So guys, R theta is S. So that's why another formula to count area of sector is half RS. Do you all understand? Boleh faham? Basically, it's just modify the formula. Dua-dua rumus ni, this one and this one will give you the same answer. Dia akan bagi jawapan sama, not different one. Okay, it depends on what quantity you have. Okay, apa info yang soalan beri? What information question give? You use that formula. Okay, let's say question never give you the angle. Soalan tak bagi kamu sudut. So guys, will you use formula 1 or formula 2? Kalau dia suruh kira luas, if they ask you count area, do you use number 1 or 2? If no angle, tak ada sudut. Like that lah. That's how you decide lah which formula to use. Okay. So opposite, if they tak bagi nilai S, if they don't give you the arc length, guna rumus satu lah. Okay guys, clear? So remember there is actually two formulas. Dia ada dua rumus sebenarnya. A lot of people will think only got one, but you must know how to modify. Kamu kena tahu cara nak ubah. Okay, you must change the formula by your own. Okay, so now since we talk about this formula, does anyone know? Siapa tahu apa konsep untuk buktikan rumus ni? What is the concept used to prove this formula? Can anyone tell? Or anyone know what is the concept? Because AdMaths, as you all know, mereka suka sangat soalan buktikan. So they will ask you, prove this formula. Buktikan macam mana rumus ni datang. So what is the concept? Anyone know? A very simple concept. Concept sangat mudah. Come on, give it a try. Anyone? Cuba sahaja. What is the concept used to prove this formula? If anyone don't know, you raise your hand. Kalau tak tahu, macam mana dapat rumus ni? Okay, sama? Ada lagi tak tahu? Okay, got lah. Okay, never mind. If you all don't know, I show you one simple example. Guys, do you all still remember dalam mathematics modern, kamu semua belajar kira luas sektor kan? You all learn in modern maths how to count area of sector. Do you all still remember this formula? Adakah kamu masih ingat rumus ni? Yes or no? I want to see. You all still remember or not? Lower form mathematics modern, tingkatan rendah, you have this formula. Am I right? Don't know Guys, this one mathematics menengah rendah tau. Form 2 kalau tak silap. I don't know lah, I think form 2. Okay, so this is the formula yang kamu akan guna untuk buktikan yang ni. If you know this formula, you can get the answer. Then you have to go back to your modern maths lah. Okay, modern maths explain this one. AdMaths tak terangkan yang ni. Because AdMaths already assume mereka anggap kamu tahu rumus ni dah. Okay, AdMaths won't explain to you this one. Okay, so that one you all go back to lower form modern maths. Okay, so never mind. Now we talk AdMaths. So guys, 360. Can anyone tell me 360 sama dengan berapa dalam radian? Berapa nilai 360 dalam unit radian? How much is the value of 360 in radian? Yes, correct. 2 pi. Okay, so guys, can you all see? If I try to prove to you all lah, okay, using the formula, area of sector divide pi r square equal to theta over 2 pi. Okay, we want to show this one. Kita nak buktikan yang ni. So how? Darab silang, cross multiply. Okay, so you will get area of sector equal to pi r square theta bahagi dengan 2 pi. Correct? After you cross multiply, bila darab silang, pi and pi saya boleh potong. So guys, do you all see the formula now? Rumus ni sama dengan setengah R kuasa 2 theta. So this is how we can prove the formula. Do you all understand? Boleh faham cara dapat rumus ni? Is from the concept of just now, modern maths. Very simple only actually to prove. Okay, sangat pendek. As long you remember that formula, no problem. And you must remember 360 darjah, make sure tukar 2 pi. Because this formula guna dalam unit radian. So that's why 360 degree you must change to 2 pi untuk guna rumus ni. Okay, so this is what you learn lah in 1.3 basically. Dia cakap pasal luas sektor. Okay, so got one more thing you all learn in this 1.3. Okay, this part. So guys, can anyone tell me luas tembering, area of segment? Does anyone remember what is the formula yang kita guna? What is the formula to count area of segment, luas tembering? Ada satu rumus. Can anyone tell me? Let's say, kamu ada sektor macam ni. Saya nak tahu macam mana dapat luas ni, this area. Apa rumus dia? Can anyone type out? Rumus yang paling ringkas lah, the most simplified formula to count area of segment. If anyone don't know, you can raise your hand. Kalau siapa tak tahu macam mana dapat luas tembering. Yes, very good. Okay, rumus dia adalah macam nasi kerabu tulis. Half R square, yes, correct. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so this is the simplified formula. Kamu boleh terus guna rumus ni. Directly use this one. It's much easier. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me? First, second, theta mana dalam unit radian? Which theta over here is in radian mode? Can you all tell me the correct answer? Very good. Okay, you all don't confuse. This one is in radian. This theta, what unit guys? Unit apa? Yang nombor 2 tu? What unit is it? Yes, whenever you see sine, cos, tan, always degree mode, darjah. Alright? So this is one formula you can use to count area of segment, luas tembering. Macam mana dia datang? Sangat mudah. Okay, you got a sector like this. Saya nak tahu luas ni kan? So how? Concept, you can use luas sector tolak dengan luas segitiga. Okay, what is the area of sector? Formula is this one. Ini adalah rumus untuk luas sector. Can you all tell me, segitiga, apa rumus yang kita guna? What is the formula to count area of triangle? Anyone? Yang ni kamu belajar masa form 4 at maths. Try to recall, revision. Form 4 at maths. Macam mana cari luas segitiga? How to find area of triangle? This is the problem. Okay guys, remember common mistake. Dalam at maths, jangan sesekali guna rumus ni. In mathematics can. Okay, at maths don't. Because, can anyone tell me? Okay, never mind. I ask the rest first. This formula, segitiga jenis apa sahaja kita boleh guna rumus ni? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Which type of triangle we can use this formula? Half base times height. Can anyone tell me? What type of triangle we can use this formula? Apa jenis segitiga? Anyone know? Yeah, you can type in the chat box. Apa jenis segitiga? No, not isosceles. There is a specific triangle. Yes, correct, Aife. Segitiga bersudut tegak. Right angle triangle 90 degree. Then only you can use this formula. Baru kamu boleh guna rumus ni. Yes. Okay, ini adalah tinggi. Ini adalah tapak. Remember. Okay, segitiga yang tak ada sudut 90 darjah tak boleh guna rumus ni. Especially in AdMaths. Because AdMaths, usually segitiga tak ada sudut 90 darjah. So what is the formula we use now? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? If it's not half base times height, so what is the formula? Apa rumus dia sekarang? Yang ni kamu belajar dalam AdMaths. Rumus untuk segitiga. The formula for triangle. Anyone? Cuba saja, jangan risau. Just try. Yes, correct. Okay, half r square sin theta. So guys, do you all know this formula? Can you type yes? Boleh type yes kalau kamu kenal rumus ni? Dari mana dia datang rumus ni? Do you all know? Hopefully you all know lah. Okay, so this one is actually your half AB sin C. Have you all seen this formula first? Everyone here. Cuba angkat tangan kalau kamu dah tengok rumus ni. Setengah AB sin C. Form 4 chapter 9, right? Penyelesaian segitiga, solution of triangle. Yes. Okay, this formula and this formula is totally the same. 100% the same. Mengapa satu orang tadi tulis R square is because nilai A sama dengan nilai B. Okay, that's why kita bagi simbol dia R. R tu jejari, radius. Okay, radius, tak kira mana dia pusing, nilai dia kekal sama. The value of radius never change. Okay, in a sector, kat sini, jejari akan sama. So that's why the segitiga is also the same. R, R, and also theta. Can you all understand? Boleh faham? Macam mana dapat half r square sin theta? Kamu modify rumus ni saja. Just change half AB sin C. Okay, so that's why dari sini kamu boleh faktorkan lah. Okay, half r square. Okay, boleh. Bahagian mana? Yang half AB sin C ke? Oh, senang saja. Kamu kena recall balik saat saya guna page baru. Okay. Guys, let's say lah, saya bagi soalan kat kamu macam ni. Guys, if they ask you in this question, dalam soalan ni, count the area of triangle for me. Macam mana kamu kira luas segitiga kalau macam ni? Can anyone tell me? How do you count this type of triangle area? Untuk yang tak faham rumus tu tadi lah. Kalau dah faham, tak payah jawab. For those that don't understand just now, how you count this? Yes, half AB sin C kan? Maksudnya half 8 kali 5 sin 60. Okay, dengan konsep ni, sekarang kita ada sector. We have a sector. So sector, bentuk dia macam ni. Okay, guys, let me ask this thing first lah. Garis ni kita panggil apa? Siapa tahu? Garis yang saya lukis tu. What is the name for that line? Can anyone tell? Bukan tembering. Garis. Garis macam tu. Apa nama dia? Tembering tu kawasan. Bukan garis. Bukan diameter. Anyone know? What's the line? Kamu belajar matematik menengah rendah yang ni. Topik bulatan. Hujung. Bukan. Yes, correct. Perentas. Guys, semua ingat tak perentas? In English is called chord. C-H-O-R-D. This is English. So that's why, can you all see this part over here? This part is a triangle. Yang perang tu, the brown one is a triangle. So that's why, to count this area, kita kena guna rumus yang tadi. Do you all understand now? That's why kita ambil luas sektor tolak luas segitiga. Area of sector minus triangle, kamu akan dapat luas yang ni. Yang ni dipanggil tembering. This is called segment, yang tak berlorek. Okay, the unshaded region is called segment. Okay guys, now you understand? So that's how you get this formula lah. This one over here. Okay. So basically, kamu hanya perlu faktorkan saja. Just factorize only. So half R square, dia adalah sebutan serupa. It is a common term. Bila ada sebutan serupa, kamu boleh bawa dia keluar. Selepas kamu faktorkan, after factorizing, tengok, kamu dapat rumus yang sama. Macam orang bagi tahu tadi. It is exactly the same. So ini cara saya buktikan lah rumus tu tadi. Okay. So this is the recap lah untuk 1.4. Ini semua yang kamu belajar. 1.3. Okay. So now we will go to application. Okay. Soalan aplikasi harian. Okay. So this is the first one. Okay guys. So you all see the question got Malay and English version. Okay. Untuk yang BM, you baca BM lah. For those stay English, you read the English. Okay. So now, first question. They ask you the angle in radian. Mereka tanya sudut kat kamu. Okay, so guys. Wait, let me see. Okay, the sudut yang mereka rujuk adalah yang ni. Okay, sudut ni. Mereka nak cari. Okay guys, so can you all tell me how to get the angle? Macam mana kira sudut dalam wajah ni? What formula? If this chapter you can master formula sangat mudah. Kalau kamu ingat semua rumus, very easy to solve application question. So part A, apa rumus kita guna guys? Yes, very good. Okay, so S equals to R theta. So let me write. Okay, part A, S equals to R theta. Okay, so kamu lihat wajah. S, panjang lengkok. Okay, length of arc. So this is your S. Okay, 5.2. This is your R. Ini adalah jejari kamu. So that's why kamu boleh gantikan teruslah. So 5.2 equal to 13 theta. So tekan calculator, you will get theta sama dengan 0.4. Okay guys, yang ni degree ke radian? Jawapan ni. Adakah ini unit darjah atau radian? Bahagian A. Cuba recall balik. Kalau 0.4, ini radian ke darjah? Yes, okay, correct, radian. So guys, selalu hati-hati, remember to look back at the question. If they ask you suddenly, kalau soalan dia tukar, mereka tanya degree dalam unit darjah. So, jawapan yang kamu dapat ni, kamu kena tukar. You have to change this answer by just times 180 bahagi pi untuk tukar dari radian ke darjah. Tapi soalan ni tak perlulah sebab mereka tanya dalam radian. So that's why you stop here. Kamu henti kat sini saja. Okay guys, so part A sangat senang lah, basic. Okay, soalan exam takkan tanya macam ni, but this is just untuk kukuhkan basic balik. Okay, nanti kat belakang ada soalan exam. Macam mana dia keluar kamu boleh nampak. Okay, so next one. Bahagian B. They ask you the perimeter of shaded region. Okay, mereka nak suruh kamu cari perimeter kawasan berlorek. Okay guys, so how? Okay, yang ni kamu dah ada info, dia adalah 0.4 radian. So guys, how to count perimeter over here? Macam mana kira? What is the first step? Langkah pertama kamu. Kamu ada panjang lengkok dah. You have the length of arc. So kamu ketinggalan dua lagi info kat sini. So anyone know? What is the concept? Apa cara yang kita boleh guna untuk cari dua lagi panjang tu? Anyone? Cuba komen. Kita guna apa kat sini? Let's say lah, untuk dapat panjang ni. To get this length. Macam mana saya boleh dapat panjang ni? Jejari dia sama sahaja. Okay, it's the same. This one is not chord. Yang ni bukan perentas. Guys, you must differentiate. Kalau saya lukis macam ni, baru dia dipanggil perentas. Yang garis merah tu, the red line only is a chord. Yang garis biru is not perentas. Okay, it's not a chord. So how to get garis biru tu? Anyone know? Senang sahaja. Jangan fikir terlalu tinggi. Konsep paling mudah. Yes. Okay, correct. It is a right angle triangle actually. Okay, dia adalah segitiga sudut tegak. Usually in the question they should tell you lah. But let's say the question didn't tell you. Katakan soalan tak bagi tahu kat kamu. Kamu kena buat anggapan tu lah. Kalau tak, macam mana nak kira? Okay, kamu tak boleh kira. Okay, there is no way to count. So you assume it's right angle. Okay, so guys, now. So, ka or tua. Yang mana kamu akan guna kat sini untuk cari panjang garis menegak tu, to get the vertical line. Which one you use? Can anyone tell? Berdasarkan sudut yang dilabel. Betul ke? Saya nak panjang ni tau. Okay, I want this length. Check again. Do you use so, ka or tua? Yes, okay, correct. You all must use so. Okay, sine, opposite, hypotenuse. This one is opposite. This one is hypotenuse. So guys, one more question. Boleh tak saya terus tulis macam ni? Sin 0.4 sama dengan soalan saya bahagi dengan 13 cm. Kalau saya tulis macam ni, betul tak? Is this correct? Cannot. Okay, what I must do? Saya kena tukar. I must convert 0.4 radian kepada darjah dulu. Okay, so conversion kamu semua kena tahulah betul-betul. Okay, saat saya padam. Okay, so kamu kena tukar yang ni lah untuk bahagian B. So you can write theta dalam darjah sama dengan theta dalam unit radian kali dengan 180 darjah bahagi pi. Ini cara untuk convert. Okay, yes, correct. So 0.4 times 180 bahagi pi. Okay, so guys, one more question. Satu lagi soalan. Pi, simbol pi. Berdasarkan soalan ni lah, based on the question, saya kena guna nilai apa kat sini untuk pi? What value should I use for pi? Kalau kamu lihat soalan ni. Can anyone tell me? Pi guna nilai apa? Sebab yang ni akan menentukan jawapan kamu tepat ke tak. If you use wrong value of pi, your jawapan akan lari sikit from the actual answer. So anyone? Pi guna apa? Okay, the rest. Yang lain kata apa? Pi kena guna nilai apa? Okay, sama. Lagi? Wah, banyak jawapan ada. Ada orang kata 22/7, 3.142. Okay, so I reveal the answer. Jawapan dia adalah, jangan terkejut. Semua salah. Everyone wrong. So guys, remember, when they don't say the value of pi, bila soalan tak kata guna pi sama dengan apa, guna simbol pi dalam kalkulator kat bawah ni. Use the pi value there. Okay, because nilai pi dalam kalkulator, tengok, dia sangat tepat berbanding nilai pi kamu yang kamu tulis tu. Dia paling tepat. Is the most accurate pi. So bila soalan tak bagi tahu guna apa, kamu guna nilai pi kat sini. Okay, remember, exam tips. Okay, kalau soalan tak bagi tahu. Alright? So, kamu terus tekan yang ni lah. Guna pi kat sini. So, 180 bahagi pi kali 0.4. So, you should get, actually jawapan dia masih sama lah. 22.92 darjah. Okay, sometimes untuk case-case tertentu, jawapan dia akan lari sikit. Okay, it will change a bit. Alright? So, now, kamu boleh kira lah sekarang. Tadi semua cakap so kan. So sin 22.92 equal to opposite bertentangan hypotenuse kita 13 cm. Okay, so you can get opposite lah. Kamu tekan calculator. Opposite equal to 13 sin 22.92. So kamu akan dapat 5.06 cm. Okay, 5.06 centimeter. Okay, so now kamu label belajar kamu. Okay, so you get information already 5.06 centimeter. Okay guys, you still got one more length. Kamu tak tahu panjang ni lagi. So guys, how to get this length? Macam mana saya boleh kira panjang ni? Can anyone tell me? Apa konsep kita? How to get that length? Konsep sangat mudah sahaja. Dari matematik menengah rendah juga. Yes, okay. So, macam mana dapat yang kecil ni? Sebab R sama dengan 13. Sana. Yang kamu tulis 13 tu adalah seluruh yang ni. Seluruh panjang ni 13. So, saya nak yang ni sekarang. Yang kecil ni. So, macam mana dapat? Bahagi apa? Yes, very good. Pythagoras theorem. Correct. Okay, guys. Remember just now saya bagi tahu yang ni adalah segitiga sudut tegak. So kamu kena dapat, saat saya guna warna lain. Purple. Kamu kena dapat panjang ungu ni dulu. You get the purple color first. How? Kamu hanya perlu guna yang ni lah. Punca kuasa 2, 13 kuasa 2 tolak 5.06 kuasa 2. Kamu dapat panjang tu. Lepas tu, 13, kamu tolak dengan jawapan ni, kamu akan dapat baki panjang kat sini. You will get the remainder of the length. Okay, 13, because radius dia berputar, so minus with Pythagoras theorem. Kamu guna. Understand? Boleh faham cara yang saya guna? Okay, actually this is the only way lah. Tak ada cara lain. Okay, hanya cara ni sahaja. Okay? So understand lah. So next one. Saat saya tulis kat bawah. Okay. Saya sambung next page. Okay, so bahagian B lagi. Okay, so tadi kita guna Pythagoras theorem. 13 kuasa 2 tolak 5.06 kuasa 2. Kita akan dapat panjang dia, jawapan akhir ya, 11.97 cm untuk yang ni. Okay, so now kita jawab soalan lah. Kena cari baki. Remaining length. Baki panjang. So you take 13 cm radius minus Pythagoras theorem. So you will get 1.026 cm. Okay, so now kamu boleh carilah perimeter equal to jawapan ni yang kamu dapat tadi dari soka tua tambah dengan yang ni remainder length tambah juga dengan panjang lengkok kamu. You add with your length of arc. Okay, this one also. Perimeter of shaded region means you must go through all the three sides. Kena lalui semua 3 sisi. Okay, so plus 5.2. So, akhirnya kamu akan dapat. Okay guys, saya nak tanya soalan sebelum saya bagi tahu jawapan. Berapa titik perpuluhan jawapan saya dalam bab ni? How many decimal places? Yang ni isu penting. Sebab semua akan tanya soalan ni. Okay. Actually, konsep dia, lebih banyak DP kamu bagi, lebih bagus. Saya akan recommend 4 lah. Okay, because more DP you give, more accurate your answer. Okay, 5 terlampau banyak. Maximum 4. Okay, maximum is 4. Alright, DP saya cakap, kamu kena tahu beza antara angka bererti dan titik perpuluhan. Significant figure and that one that one still need time lah because you all never learn the other form 5 chapter yet. You mean form 4, right? That one, okay, maybe I talk about it lah. Okay, wait for a while. Let me answer this question first. Okay, so if you count and see, final answer 11.1062 cm. Okay guys, one more advice. Satu lagi nasihat, guna nilai dalam kalkulator kamu. Jangan ada tabiat, don't have the habit, straight away switch off the calculator. Then do the calculation again. Maintain nilai dalam calculator because nilai dalam calculator adalah yang paling tepat. Okay, don't round off the answer too early. Jangan round off terlalu awal. Of course, when you write, bila tulis macam ni, kamu bundarkan lah. Tapi kamu maintain nilai yang tepat untuk yang tu dalam calculator. You maintain the exact value only. Then only your final answer here, dia akan paling dekat dengan skema. Okay, it'll be the most accurate answer that the scheme give. Understand? So that's why tips-tips ni penting lah untuk bab ni. Because a lot of people have problem with this part. Okay, so now just now people ask decimal places. Okay, very simple. First thing we start with angle. Okay, so angle. Let's say degree. How many dp? Berapa titik perpuluhan if angle in degree? Yes, 2 dp. Okay, this one fix lah. Dia tak berubah. 2 dp always. How about if angle radian? How many dp? Berapa titik perpuluhan? Yes, radian always give 4. Okay, bagi 4 titik perpuluhan. 1 too little lah. 4. Okay, radian is 4. Don't give 1. 1 is very weird. Unless guys, kalau soalan tanya macam ni, show that, buktikan theta sama dengan 0.5 radian. Then final answer kamu tulis yang ni. Jangan tulis yang 4 dp. When the question asks you, show, buktikan. Then only you are allowed to give 1 dp. Bila soalan bagi tahu 1 dp. Lain case, untuk pengiraan biasa, normal calculation 4 dp. Maintain. Okay, if they ask show, then you follow the question. How many dp? Okay guys? Clear? So this one you all must know. Same with degree also. Kalau soalan buktikan degree, they ask you to buktikan theta sama dengan 75.9. Jangan kamu bagi 2 dp pula. Okay? Maintain the answer they ask you to show. Jangan tambah, jangan kurang. Okay? So this is for angle. So other than that, let me think. Okay, money. Let's say we talk about money. Money also got in maths. So money. Okay guys, RM. How many dp? Berapa titik perpuluhan? Yes, always 2 lah. How can be 4? Tak boleh 4 dp. Okay, terlalu banyak. Saya tak tanya angka bererti ya. Angka bererti yes, 4 dp. 4 AB, 4 angka bererti. Significant figure yes, correct. Okay, RM 65.74. Yang ni ada 4 angka bererti, 4 significant figure. Tapi berapa dp? 2 dp. You all must know how to banding bezakan. Okay, you must differentiate decimal place and significant figure. Okay, so now after money RM satu sajalah, tak ada lain. Okay, what else? Let me think. Okay, linear law. Guys, bab hukum linear. Mereka selalu akan suruh cari constant kan macam ni. A, B, H, K. Am I right? Bab hukum linear, kamu lukis graph, then you determine the constant, right? Tentukan pemala. Kecerunan ke, y-intercept ke. So how many dp? Berapa dp kena beri? Titik perpuluhan. Berapa titik perpuluhan untuk soalan macam ni? Anyone? Yeah. Okay, actually you can give 2 lah. 2 dp. Okay, 2 dp selamat. If you want to give 3 also can. 3 dp. 4 macam terlalu banyak dah. Okay, 2 to 3 dp for linear law constant. Untuk pemala tu kamu kena cari. Okay, so 2 to 3 dp this one. Okay, so next one. Let me think. Bab lain. Okay, solution of triangle. So guys, solution of triangle. Kira panjang lah apa? Berapa dp? When they ask you to count length, how many dp you give? Panjang sesuatu sisi. How many dp? To me, I will say 2 is enough already actually. 4 is like too much a bit. Okay, I think I will say 2 dp. Okay, 2 dp panjang. Okay, because if your value is like 17 lah, 17.18 cm. Okay, you don't need to go until 4 actually. Terlalu banyak dah. But if you want, I think should be no problem lah. Dia takkan sangat strict sampai macam tu. Okay, you can still give to 4 lah if you want. Okay, 2 dp to 4 dp. Jangan lebih. 1 dp definitely wrong lah. Okay, 1 dp no. 2 dp minimum, 4 dp maximum. Okay, 3 dp also can lah. So how about if they ask you area, luas, how many dp? Ya, saya akan hantar dalam grup saya nanti. Guys, anyone new here? Join my class for the first time. Siapa baru kat sini? Angkat tangan. Wah, got a lot. Okay. So guys, for those yang baru join my class, if you want to access these notes lah, kalau nak dapat nota ni, you can PM my number so that I can add you to my group. Boleh PM nombor ni. Okay. My WhatsApp lah, PM WhatsApp. Okay. So that saya boleh masukkan kamu dalam grup saya. Saya hantar nota ni dalam grup saya saja. Okay. So guys, next area. Berapa DP untuk luas? How many titik perpuluhan? Oh, okay. Tak apa. Sekarang dah dapat kesedaran. And maths, 1 lesson per week lah, as usual. Maths also I teach actually, 1 lesson. And maths is Thursday night, this timing. And then maths is Friday night, same timing. So basically it's like 1.5 hours lah. Okay. So guys, area, berapa titik perpuluhan? How many you will give? Let's say you are doing the exam now lah. Kamu tengah buat exam sekarang. So ada soalan tanya luas. So how many titik perpuluhan kamu akan bagi? Okay, can? 2 is acceptable. 4 pun boleh. Okay, 2 until 4 again I will say. 2 sampai 4. Okay, ya, 4 atau 2. Correct. Okay, so let me see. Did I miss out any more? Angle, money, linear law, SOT. One more. Index number. Okay, last chapter. Index number. So guys, index number. How many DP? Let's say price index or composite index lah. Harga index ataupun harga indeks gubahan. Berapa titik perpuluhan? 2 lah. Usually it's 2 only. Dia takkan sampai 4. Usually, right, the question will go until 2 dp. Nilai dalam calculator kamu juga akan sampai 2 dp. Okay, usually this chapter give 2 dp. Okay, jangan bagi lebih. Index number 2 dp. Okay, so anything else? And any other calculation lah. Mana-mana pengewan dalam bab lain, give to the simplest form. Okay, bagi dalam bentuk termudah lah. As always, kalau boleh tulis pecahan, kamu tulis pecahan. If you can write in fraction, fraction is always the best. Okay, because fraction, pecahan nilai dia paling tepat. Berbanding perpuluhan dan apa lagi ada? Berbanding perpuluhan lah, correct? So always give fraction. Alright? So clear on all of this? Basically all the topics are here lah. Okay? So we go next question, number 2. Okay guys, you all see. Okay, I give you all time to read for a while. Arahan dia. Okay, I think should be okay. So now, can you all tell me, 6 cm, apa simbol untuk quantity ini? What is the symbol we put for 6 cm based on the diagram? Apa nama simbol dia? Saya nak huruf sahaja. Huruf simbol tu. Yes, S. Okay, length of arc, panjang lengkok. How about 5 cm? What is the symbol? Yes, R, jejari. Correct. Okay, so basically soalan terangkan yang tu lah kat kamu. So now they ask you, find the area of sector AOB. Guys, just now only saya bagi tahu yang ni. Apa rumus kita guna sekarang untuk cari luas sektor? What is the formula to count area of this sector? Actually got two method lah. Kamu ada dua pilihan kat sini, dua kaedah. But you all tell me the fastest method. Apa kaedah paling cepat? What is the fast method to solve the question? Based on the information you have lah, berdasarkan info yang diberi. So anyone? Bukan. Guys, soalan tanya luas. S ni mewakili panjang, remember. Okay, tak boleh guna S equals R theta untuk cari luas. S is for length. Yes, okay, can. But guys, saya nak tanya. Kamu ada theta tak kat sini? Do you have theta value? Diberi secara terus dalam wajah? Tak ada. You can find lah, kamu boleh cari. Tapi, kalau saya tak nak buat macam tu, apa rumus saya boleh guna? Selain rumus tu. Other than that formula to count. Yes, tapi saya tak mau kaedah tu. Itu kaedah kedua bagi saya lah. What is the first method? Kaedah paling cepat. Ada satu rumus. There is one formula. Guys, you all remember? Luas sektor sama dengan half RS. Ingat tak? Baru tadi saya ajar sahaja yang ni. Do you all remember this one? Kat mana dia? This one. Tengok. Yang ni. Saya buktikan tadi. Half R square theta, I can modify to become half RS. Sebab S sama dengan R theta. That's why, kamu tak perlu sengaja cari theta dulu. You don't need to find theta actually. You can direct use this formula. Terus guna rumus ni dan kira jawapan kamu. Tak perlu panjang-panjang. Okay, because in maths, bila jalan kira kamu lebih panjang, kamu lebih cenderung untuk buat silap. Okay, you have more chance of making mistakes. So that's why at maths, keep your working as short as possible. Bagi jalan kira pendek dan tepat. That's the tips lah untuk kamu score. Okay, kalau memang tak boleh pendek, kamu kena buat panjang lah. Tapi bila boleh pendek, kamu buat jalan kira tu pendek. Okay, pendek dan tepat. So part A, area sector equal to half RS. Actually, kalau kamu tak mau yang ni, boleh guna half R square theta lah. But you must find theta first. Kamu kena dapat yang ni dulu. Okay, so kalau saya guna kaedah pertama, I can direct get the answer lah. Okay, sama dengan setengah jejari 5 S 6. So tekan kalkulator, 15 cm square. Okay guys, understand? Cara saya kira luas sektor yang ni sangat cepat kan? Berbanding kamu cari theta dulu. Okay, you need to find theta, you need to use the formula again. So this one much faster. Alright, so next one. Shaded region, kawasan berlorek. Okay, what is the formula we use over here? Tadi pun kita belajar yang ni. What is the formula? Yang ni adalah tempering, area of segment formula. Cuba type kat saya, apa rumus dia? So anyone? Formula? Area of segment? You all still remember? Yes. Okay, use the formula. Half R square theta minus sin theta. So guys, dari sini, kamu tahu, kamu kehilangan info theta. So you must find theta first lah. So macam mana cari theta? You can use S equal to R theta. So part B, S equal to R theta. S is 6, R is 5, theta. So theta you will get 1.2 radian. 1.2 radian. So then you can direct use the formula lah. Luas kawasan berlorek equal to half R square theta minus sin theta. Okay, so then you just gantikan lah, direct substitute half phi square 1.2 minus sin. Okay guys, boleh tak saya letak macam ni? Can I write like this? Yang ni betul ke tak? If I write like this, sin 1.2. Remember, okay, cannot, must be in degree mode. Kena dalam darjah. So, actually kamu tak perlu tunjuk jalan kira lah. Tekan calculator sahaja. Okay, or if you want to write, you can write also. Boleh tulis. Okay, saya pergi ke kiri sikit. Okay, equal to half phi square 1.2 minus sin 1.2 times 180 bahagi pi. I convert from radian to degree mode. Okay, understand guys? Sin theta tu bukan, yang ni remember whenever you have sin is degree. Okay, dia dalam unit darjah. Sin, cos, tan, always degree. Okay, so then kamu tekan calculator, you can get the answer lah untuk yang ni. So 1.2 times 180 bahagi pi, sin answer 1.2 tolak answer times 25 over 2. Okay, so final answer 3.349. Okay, saya kena tulis atas. Okay, kat sini 3.345 lah saya beri cm square. Okay, don't forget unit guys. Unit in this chapter penting. So make sure kamu tulis unit. cm square, cm, okay, must write unit. Okay guys, ada apa-apa soalan untuk number 2? Are you clear? I think should be clear lah. Dia masih mudah sekarang. Okay, so we go next question. Okay, good. Okay, number 3. Okay, baca soalan dulu. As we go on, the question will become harder. Soalan akan lebih susah. Okay, semua sudah baca? Cuba react, like kalau sudah baca. In admaths, right guys, dalam matematik tambahan, when you read the question, kamu kena cuba baca dengan pantas. You must do speed reading because, right, admaths, as you all know, kamu tak ada masa kan? You all not enough time to finish the paper. So, arahan, right, instruction of question, you must train yourself. Analyze very fast. Kamu analisis semua nombor yang diberi sangat pantas. This part, baca soalan ni jangan ambil banyak masa. You take most of the time to solve the question. Jangan ambil masa banyak kat sini. Okay, because admaths really no time one. Alright, so never mind. So next one. So kamu analisis PS equals 8 cm. So bila ada info terus label 8 cm. Okay, this one. So guys, if you see this kind of symbol, apa maksud dia? What is the meaning of this sentence over here? Can anyone tell me? Apa maksud dia? Kalau semua macam ni ada sama dengan, sama dengan, sama dengan. What does it mean? Can anyone tell? Apa makna? Very simple only. What's the meaning behind it? Yes, everything has the same value. Okay, jangan salah anggap kat sini. Jangan salah anggap kesemua yang ni jumlah panjang dia 5 cm. Setengah orang akan fikir macam tu. You might think that all these 4 have 5 cm length. So that's why setiap sisi ni kamu bagi 5 cm bahagi 4. Wrong all the value is 5 cm. So make sure kamu tak confused with this one. Okay, every single thing is 5 cm. So you can label lah 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. Okay, so now Can anyone tell me what is the radius for this sector? Apa jejari sector kat sini? Can anyone tell me? Radius, ah? So what's the radius? Berdasarkan apa yang saya label. Yes, correct. 10 cm. Yes. Okay, this is the radius. This one. This whole thing is the radius. The whole thing. Okay, that's why 5 plus 5. So 10 cm. Okay, so now they ask you find the arc QR. Cari panjang lengkok QR. So what is the formula, guys? Yang kita guna to cari panjang lengkok? You should use S equals to R theta. Okay, basic formula. So part A, SQR, yes, correct, equal to R theta. So R kamu, you all say already, 10. Theta sudah diberi 1.75. Okay, 1.75 radian. So, final answer, 17.5 cm. Okay, bahagian B. Area of shaded region, luas kawasan berlorek. Okay guys, again, what is the formula we use untuk kira luas yang ni? Apa rumus dia? This one is revision based on soalan sebelumnya. Okay, so basically the rumus should be half R square. Yes, very good. Always ingat rumus ni. Rumus ni sangat berguna bagi kamu. Okay, so remember 1.75 radian. Untuk yang ni, tak boleh masukkan 1.75. Convert to degree dulu. Okay, so then kamu tekan calculator sahaja. So area of shaded region. Kalau kamu nak lah untuk bagi pemeriksa jelas sikit, you can write like this. Luas sektor, kamu tak perlu tulis dalam perkataan tau. Sektor macam ni, no need. No need to write in words. Kalau kamu lukis bentuk macam ni, masih diterima tau. Do you all know that? Adakah kamu tahu yang ni? Kalau kamu lukis bentuk sektor, kamu tak perlu tulis dalam perkataan sektor. Kamu lukis bentuk tu sahaja. Lebih senang. Okay, kamu jimat masa. Alright? Segitiga pun sama. Kamu lukis segitiga. Area, triangle. Kamu lukis segitiga bagi mereka. Okay, untuk bagi dia lebih jelas lah rumus kamu. Okay, so then you direct right lah. Half R is 10. Theta 1.75. Sin theta tukar kepada darjah. Change to radian. Change to degree mode. Macam ni. Okay, then you can press calculator lah. So anyone can press and tell me the answer? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Accurate answer, saya nak jawapan yang paling tepat. This one just to test your calculator skill lah. Nak tengok kamu semua boleh tekan dengan betul ke tak. So siapa ada jawapan boleh bagi. Saya nak 4 DP ya, jawapan. 4 DP. 4. Saya nak 4. Yes, correct. Okay, 38.3007 cm square. Done. Okay. So this another basic question lah. Yang ni boleh kategorikan sebagai senang. Okay, easy question. Alright. So next one. Soalan keempat. Okay, this one. This one come a bit harder. Dia datang lebih susah sikit. Okay, from 4 onwards. Okay, so you all read the question first. And also take note guys, bila soalan dah bagi tahu, kamu kena beri berapa angka bererti, how many significant figure, you all must follow. Kamu kena ikut. Jangan pandai kamu ubah. Okay, follow arahan soalan. Okay, if they ask for SF, you give for SF. Okay, so I think you all should have read already lah. Okay, so now They tell you that the length of minor arc is 16 cm. Panjang lengkop minor 16 cm. So guys, which one is the minor arc? Number 1 or number 2? Mana yang diceritakan kat sini? Yes, okay, name is minor means it should be shorter lah. Panjang tu lebih pendek. That's why we call it minor arc. So 16 cm is over here. Okay, so next information, angle of major sector 290. Okay, I ask you all, number 1 or number 2? 290 belong to which one? Correct, number 2. Okay, major mean big. Okay, so that's why the angle is this one, 290 degree. Okay, so now they ask you the value of theta. Cari nilai theta. Radian, So can anyone tell me? This one very easy. Final answer. Bagi jawapan kamu dalam 4 DP. Okay, I want, 4 SF. Soalan dah nyatakan. I want 4 SF. Macam mana dapat 5 point? Daniel, nak sudut ni, bukan sudut ni. Okay, soalan tanya AOB. Sudut kecil mereka nak. Sudut besar mereka dah beri. Okay, they want the small angle lah guys, in radian. Not the big angle. So anyone else got the answer? Kamu kira untuk sudut yang besar. Yes. Abhishek, if you give that answer in the exam wrong, guys, 4 SF, adakah jawapan kamu 4 SF? Cuba cek balik. Is it 4 significant figure your answer? Guys, 1.2219. Berapa SF yang ni? This one is 5 SF. Okay, careful lah. Not 4 DP, mereka tanya 4 SF. Okay, so that's why jawapan kamu 1.222. Okay. So, kamu boleh kira lah. So, angle minus sector 1.222. Kamu bundakan kepada 3 titik perpuluhan. Round off to 3 decimal. So, 1.222. Angle of minus sector equal to 360 minus 290. So, you will get 70. So, yang ni, you find in radian. 70 degree. Okay, guys. Soalan dah bagi tahu nilai pi. Question already given you the pi. So, kamu hanya boleh guna nilai ni. Don't use any other pi value. Use 3.142. So, final answer, 1.222 radian. Okay, for SF. Okay, guys? Understand? So, I think should be okay lah. So, next one. Length in cm of radius. Okay, so what formula we use here, guys? Can anyone tell? Untuk kira jejari bulatan. Remember, in AdMaths, we must always repeat the concept. Although you think maybe you know already, but it's always good to repeat. Because when you do more practice, the formula will maintain in your mind. Kalau kamu buat banyak latihan, formula tu akan melekat, akan minda. So guys, what is the formula for question B? Yes, S equals R theta. So part B, S equal to R theta. S, soalan dah beri. S is 16 cm. Theta, you already have. You want to find R, 1.222. Okay, so R equal to 16 over 1.222 radian. So final answer, you should get 13.09 cm. Okay guys, do you all understand question 4? Boleh faham soalan ni? Can react like if you all understand? Number 4. Come on, guys, react. Like. Okay, Okay, so we go on. Number 5. Question getting harder, from now on. So make sure you all alert. Okay, let me delete. Okay, number 5. When you all see this kind of diagram, surely you all panic already, right? Because you have 2 sector now. Satu sector besar, satu lagi sector kecil kat dalam. So this is how the question become more difficult lah. Actually, concept still the same, but they modify the diagram untuk bagi dia susah. But formula all maintain the same only. So we all see. So bila nampak info terus label. OQ is 8 cm. So guys, can I ask you all, OP, berapa panjang OP? Soalan tak beritahu, but you all must know. OP is how long? Come on. OP berapa panjang dia? Yes, it should be 8 cm because it's the radius of the circle. Dia adalah jejari bulatan. Correct. Okay, so next one, PY 3 cm. PY, okay, this one is 3 cm, the small one. So guys, PX, berapa panjang dia? If PY is 3 cm, PX will be? Yes, 3 cm also, correct. Okay, so next one, XPY, 1.2 radian. Length of arc PQ, 6 cm. So you see, whenever you get the info, label everything. So that is clearer for you. Okay, so first one, quite easy. Angle POQ in radian. Okay, so again, the same formula lah, S equal to R theta. So bahagian A, S equal to R theta. So S is 8. You want to find you have the R is 6 theta. Okay, so then you can cari nilai theta lah. I tertukar the nilai. S is 6, R is 8. S is 6, R is 8. Okay, so if you count and see, theta should be 0.75 radian. 0.75 radian. Okay, guys? So this is for part A. So next one, part B. Luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so now, how to get the area of shaded region? Can you all tell me the concept? Macam mana dapat luas kawasan berlorek? You just type out in simple word to me, what minus what, or what plus what. You can tell the label of the sector. Yes, major sector minus major minus minor, correct. Okay, so major sector, the formula is half R square theta radian. So area shaded region equal to half. Okay, major sector radius 8, theta you already found 0.75, minus minor radius 3, angle is 1.2 radian. Okay, 1.2 radian. Okay, so if you press calculator, final answer should be 9 times 1.2 divided to 18.6 cm square. Okay, guys, understand? These are all still basic lah, but you can see that the diagram, they modify it to become more complex already. The concept still very easy. Question A, question B simple, but you must know how to fill in the info in the diagram. Kamu kena tahu. Okay, cara analisis info. Okay, so next one, question 6. Okay. This one, I think, let me see. I think still okay. You all can still do. Okay, so now radius 12 cm. So guys, tell me one more length. Satu lagi panjang di mana dia dapat 12 cm. What is the label? One more length which is 12 cm. Anyone? Yes. Okay, this one also is 12 cm. Remember, radius of circle always constant. Jejari bulatan dia tak berubah. It spin one round. So 12 cm maintain the whole time. Okay, so can anyone tell? OA, berapa panjang OA? How long? Yes. Okay, whenever you see the symbol like this, it means it's equal. Okay, sama panjang. Okay, so now this one right angle, they want you to find BOC, sudut BOC, this one. Okay, guys, how to get BOC? What is the concept? So what will you do to get BOC? So, ka or toa? Which one? So anyone? Which one you use? Yes, you use cos. Okay, correct. 12 hypotenuse, OA is adjacent. Okay, so that's why you use cos theta. So cos BOC equal to 6 over 12. Okay, so you will get angle BOC, shift cos 6 over 12. Okay, use calculator, you will get 60 degree. So guys, is this my final answer? Adakah ni jawapan akhir? Yes or no? Okay, remember, soalan ask radian so you must tukar to radian. Okay, cannot leave at 60 degree. So you must times pi over 180. So final answer, you leave it like this, pi over 3 radian. This is your final answer. So make sure you all convert to radian after degree. Okay, so part B, luas kawasan berlorek, area of shaded region. So how to find it? Tell me the concept. What minus what? So macam mana kawasan ni? Can anyone tell? Yes, very good. Luas sector minus luas segitiga. Correct. Okay, guys, for the segitiga part, I want to ask you all. There is two possibility lah. Half base times height or half AB sin C. So guys, antara yang ni, number one, number two, which formula is the fastest? Rumus mana paling cepat untuk dapat jawapan? Which one will be the fastest? Number one or number two? Yes, correct. Okay, you're right. Number two is the fastest. So why not number one? Number one, you don't have this length. Kamu tak tahu panjang ni. You can find the length lah if you want, but it'll take time. Okay, dia akan ambil masa. You must use Pythagoras theorem. You must gantikan in this rumus. Then only you can get the answer. If you use this, direct you can get the answer. Setengah kali 6 kali 12 kali sudut lah. Sin 60. You got the angle is 60 degree. Okay, so for part B, you go use the concept area shaded region equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So sector half, R is sana, R adalah 12. Okay, theta makes sure radian. So you use pi over 3 and then minus half AB sin C. So AB sin C 6 12 sin 60. Okay, so can anyone tell me what's the answer you get for this one? Cuba tekan calculator. I want 4 dp ya. 4 titik perpuluhan. So what answer you all get? Four dp ya guys, answer. 4 titik perpuluhan. So anyone? Got answer? Ada jawapan? 4 titik perpuluhan for this question. Don't be shy to share answer. .02. How come the answer so different? Guys, pi. What value you all use for pi? Can you all tell me? Nilai pi kamu semua guna apa? It's quite close to my answer, but 2 cm difference, which is quite big lah. Pi, make sure you tekan in the calculator, guys. Don't use 3.142 or 22/7 because question never tell you what to use. Okay, soalan tak bagi tahu. Okay, so that's why your final answer you should get 44.2213 cm square. Okay, guys, faham? So make sure you all know how to get the answer. Huh? You should get 44.2213. Okay, make sure you use the pi in the calculator. Okay. So any problem so far? Ada apa-apa masalah? I think should be all smooth, right? Okay. Number 7. This is the challenge question. Okay, when you see, I think it's a bit harder lah, this one. Okay, so now you all read and see the question slowly. For those BM version, if you want me to scroll down, you can tell me scroll down in the chat box. For those want the BM. Okay, guys, can react. If you finish reading already, put a like. If you all done reading. Okay, good. Wait, let me edit something. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the diagram. So this one. Okay. If you look at the question lah, soalan tak bagi tahu info banyak sebenarnya. Only 8 cm they give you. Okay, they only give you 8 cm which is already labeled. Okay, so now guys, first question, they ask you length of arc ST. Panjang lengkok ST. So guys, this one you must know a lot of property. So listen up. They want you to get this length. Nak tahu panjang ni. So first step, can anyone tell me what must I do? Langkah pertama. What is the step I should do? This one you might find a bit challenging. It needs some lower form knowledge also. Perlu asas menengah rendah. So anyone? How? Macam mana? What must I find first? Apa saya kena cari dulu? Don't be shy to share your opinion. Every opinion is correct. Maybe some opinion might be slightly wrong, but it's okay. Cari PS. Okay, let me see. Cari PS. Kamu tak ada info cukup untuk cari PS. Sat. Boleh. Tapi kamu kena tanya. PS. Adakah kamu cari PS, dia bantu kamu untuk cari panjang ST? Yes or no? Actually can lah your method. Boleh juga. Okay, can. But if you all see, there is actually a faster way. Dia ada kaedah lebih pantas. So anyone? Any other suggestion? Ada cadangan lain? But I think I like Joshua's suggestion lah. Okay. So I'll take Joshua's suggestion. Never mind. So guys, what you can do is you can cut the triangle into half. Kamu boleh potong segitiga ini, quadrilateral ini kepada dua. You can cut it to two triangles. Okay, so can I ask you all, this angle, sudut ni berapa? Can you all tell me in degree? One small side, satu bahagian kecil. How many degrees the angle? Yes, 30 degree, correct. Okay, so now you can find the length of OP, panjang OP. So you can draw the triangle lah if you all want. So part A, if you draw the triangle, you can see it easy. This is 90 degree, this is the 30 degree, and then this is the 8 cm over here. Okay, so basically you must find this length. Kamu kena cari hypotenuse, because hypotenuse will give you the information on the radius sector PST. Okay, you must get radius sector PST untuk cari panjang lengkok ST. Okay, so guys, if you refer the triangle here, soka or tua, mana yang kamu guna? Yes, sine. Okay, so sine 30 is 8 cm over hypotenuse. I put h. So h is equal to 8 cm over sine 30. So you will get answer is 16. Okay, so now you can solve the question already. Kamu boleh selesaikan. So you got this one is 16. This whole thing is 16 cm. So guys, can you all tell me what is the radius of this sector? Apa jejari sektor PST? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? You must visualize a bit lah. Kamu kena bayangkan sikit wajah. So what is the radius actually for PST? Anyone know? Very good. Not bad. Okay, it's 24. So guys, some of you might tell me how you get 24. Basically, this 8 cm is also like this. You can rotate the 8 cm to become top like this. So that's why totally you will have this one as 24 cm. Okay, this side also 24 cm. Okay guys, understand? So then you can use the formula Adila, S equal to R theta. But make sure theta change to radian mode. Okay, so for part A, S equal to R theta. So S will equal to R is 16 plus with 8. Okay, and then theta is 60 degree. Make sure convert to radian. Tukar dari darjah ke radian. So final answer, if you want to leave in the most accurate form, you can leave your answer as 24 over 3 pi centimeter. If you want to write the exact answer, let me see, did the question mention pi value? Okay, soalan kata guna pi sama dengan 3.142. So you must substitute 3.142. Okay, don't use any other value. So if you count and see, 142 times 24 over 3, 25.136 centimeter. Okay guys, are you clear? Soalan A, because this question a bit harder compared to the rest. So are you clear or not? Adakah kamu jelas how to get arc ST? Can Okay, so next question. Area of shaded region. Okay, wait. I didn't mark the shaded region for you. Let me mark it. Wait, guys. I mark first the diagram. Okay, so basically, the shaded region I want you to find is this one. I put all lah for you so that it's easier. Okay, so I want you to find the shaded region for all of that. So guys, what is the concept? Apa konsep dia? What minus what? Yes, okay, correct. Luas sector minus luas bulatan. Okay, you can also use luas bulatan formula in this case. Okay, so B, area of shaded region, luas kawasan berlorek equal to area sector minus area circle. Okay, so area of sector, again same formula, half r square theta. So half 24 square theta in radian, so is pi over 3 minus with area bulatan pi r square, so is pi 8 square. Okay, so if you count and see, final answer, you should get, sorry, 6 minus 6, 32 pi cm square. Okay, if you want to write accurate answer, you will get 100.544 centimeter square. Both of these also can. Dua-dua pun diterima. Okay, depend on which one you like lah. Okay, but if the question say area in terms of pi, kalau soalan tanya macam ni, luas dalam sebutan pi, which one is correct? Number 1 or number 2? Mana yang betul? If the question specifically asks you like this, number 1. Okay, so you must read the question carefully, just in case. Okay, because they like to ask like this also, in terms of what? Dalam sebutan apa? Okay, so this is for question, what question is it already? Question 7. Okay, so we try one last question, then we end. Question 8. Okay, number 8. This one still okay lah, you all can do. Okay, so now, last one. Angle of POT in radian. Cari sudut POT dalam radian. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the concept here that we will use? What must we find first? Sudut apa kena cari dulu? So anyone? What angle we must find first? Bagi saya nama sudut. Give me the name of the angle. Which angle I must find first? I want to find theta now, but I cannot find directly. Very good. Cari sudut TOR. Okay, why you all say find TOR? Why you find TOR first? Can anyone tell me? Mengapa kamu ambil langkah tu? Anyone know why? Why you use that step? So this one is 5 cm. This one is 2.5 cm, 90 degree. Okay, yes, the concept is straight line. Because you can use 180 minus the answer, you get theta. Because they already, question didn't tell you. But you must assume it's straight line lah. Kamu kena anggap dia adalah garis lurus. If not, you cannot count the answer. Okay, so guys, over here, to get this angle, I don't use theta, use alpha. Okay, so to get alpha, untuk cari sudut alpha, so, ka, or tua. Which one you use? So ka tua. Yes. Okay, opposite hypotenuse. So sine alpha equal to 2.5 cm divide 5 cm. So you will get alpha equal to, you press calculator, you will get 30 degree. Okay, so can anyone tell me theta equals to what? What is the value of theta? Kalau alpha 30 degree. What value you will get for theta based on the diagram? This one is alpha. So theta how much? In degree first, dalam unit darjah dulu. Or if you want, you can give your direct answer lah in radian. Okay, 150 degree. Okay, now convert to radian. So how much you get? 4 dp, yeah, guys. I want 4 dp. Yes. Okay, 2.6183 radian. This is 4 dp. Correct. 4 dp, not 4 SF, guys, not 2.618, 4 dp. You must add the one more digit number. All the 2.618 is 4 angka bererti, 4 significant figure. I want 4 decimal place. Saya nak 4 titik perpuluhan. So 0.6183. Must have 4 number after the titik. Okay, so this is for part A. Okay, next one, part B. Perimeter of the whole diagram. Okay, mereka nak cari perimeter seluruh wajah. Okay, so how guys? How to do this one? They want to get the whole diagram perimeter. So any idea? I think it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so can you all tell me how to get the perimeter for the whole diagram? Okay, never mind lah, we go step by step because this one a bit long. So guys, first thing, PO. Can you all tell me PO is how long? Berapa panjang PO dulu? You can get directly from the diagram. How long is PO? POT is semicircle. Yes, 5 cm. Okay, if I ask you OQ, how long is OQ? Berapa panjang OQ? You should also get 5 cm. Okay, OQ pun adalah jejari semi bulatan. Okay, it's part of the semicircle. O is the center. O tu titik tengah. Okay, and then they tell you that RST is quadrant. So before that, sebelum kamu dapat yang tu, so guys, you must find the jejari lah, kena cari panjang RS. So guys, how to get the length of RS? Macam mana kamu tahu panjang RS? Or can you tell me the answer if you know? Apa panjang RS? Based on the diagram. Tak perlu kira pun. Terus lihat bagi jawapan. Direct tell the answer. What is the length for RS? Yes, very good. 2.5 cm. Because RT and RS is the radius of the quadrant. Jejari sukuan tu adalah RT dan RS. Okay, so now basically you must just find this one and this length. Then you complete everything already. So how to get it? PT S equal to R theta again. Okay, so for part B, SPT, SPT mean the length of arc PT lah, panjang lengkor PT. So if you refer diagram, R is equal to 5, theta is 2.6183. Okay, so you can press calculator, you will get 13.0915 centimeter. And then you can get panjang lengkok, you can get S for this one, panjang lengkok ST. Okay, so what is the theta, guys? Can you all tell me? For the ST, apa theta yang kita guna kat sini? What is the length? Anyone know? What is the theta here? Apa sudut kita untuk kuadran RST? Yes, correct. Remember, quadrant means 90 degree. Sukuan tu maksudnya 90 darjah. Okay, quadrant come from the word quarter. Quarter means 360 divided by 4 lah. That's why you get 90 degree. Okay. So, 90 degree, you must convert to radian. You should get pi over 2. So, R is equal to 2.5 times pi over 2. So, jawapan kamu, you will get 3.927 centimeter. Okay? And then, you just need to add up all the values only. Kamu kena tambah semua nilai kat sini. Okay, but one more thing, you must actually find the length of OR. Kamu kena cari panjang OR. Then only you can tambah the bottom. Okay, because you cannot directly tambah because there is overlap. Ada panjang yang bertindih antara satu sama lain. Okay, so how to get OR, guys? Can you all tell me? Panjang OR? Macam mana kira? How can we get the OR length? Yes, okay, square root 5 square minus 2.5 square only. Okay, so you can get OR equal to square root 5 square minus 2.5 square. So if you press calculator, you will get 4.3301 cm. Okay, so now you can count lah perimeter. So kamu tambah semua nilai ni. 13.0915 plus ST plus OR and also plus with jejari semi bulatan plus with jejari quadrant. So you get the answer lah. So you will get equal to plus 5 plus 2.5. Okay, you will get 28.8486 cm. Okay guys, are you clear? Boleh faham cara nak dapat perimeter? Can Are you clear? Perimeter? Just plus everything only. Okay. So now, for part C, this one, I will leave it for you all to try. Saya akan bagi kamu semua untuk cuba luas kawasan berlorek. Okay. So, when we come back next week, we will continue with this. Okay, kita akan sambung dengan yang ni. Alright. So, you can take part C as your homework lah. Okay. You can take part C as this as your homework. Just bahagian C. How to find QS? QS, you can take, wait, let me see, QS. QS cannot find. Tak boleh cari QS. You can only get RS. RS 2.5 because we don't know the ratio. Wait, let me see. Hey, can. You can get QS. You can get RQ first. RQ how to get? You take OQ 5 cm minus OR from the Pythagoras theorem just now. You get QR. Then you take RS, which is 5 cm. RS 2.5 cm minus RQ, you will get QS. Understand? Basically, you just compare the length one by one only. RQ equals to OQ minus OR. QS equal to RS minus RQ. You got two equations, so you solve simultaneous. Understand, Joshua? So are you all clear for today, the rest of you? For everything we learned today, 8 questions. Clear, huh? Hopefully you all more confident in circular measure now lah. Okay, bab sukatan membulat. The rest of the questions we discuss next week is mostly all KBAT, application 1. This one, train your basic first for the application. All right. So anyone still new here, remember, if you want to join my class, you can PM my number. Okay, this is my number again. I put here. Okay, and also one more thing for everyone new here, if you feel like you struggle in maths or maths, I actually got my own YouTube channel, so you all can go and subscribe. Actually, I got videos on maths and maths there also. Okay, for those new lah, that first time join my class, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can share to your friend. Got maths and maths videos lah for Form 4 and also Form 5. Okay, you can check it. You can check it out lah by yourself in your time. Okay, guys. The recordings I always upload here for every class in my YouTube channel. So every class after finish, I put the recording there so that you all can see. Okay. So is there any other question?